Feeling the effects. Understanding this common English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and unravel its mysteries together. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that you might have heard quite often but might not fully understand: feeling the effects. This phrase is widely used in various contexts, and understanding it can greatly enhance your English comprehension and expression. So, let's get started. Feeling the effects refers to experiencing the consequences, results, or impact of something. This could be physical, emotional, or any other form of outcome due to a specific cause or action. It's important to note that the effects can be either positive or negative, depending on the context. For example, feeling refreshed and energetic after a good night's sleep or feeling tired and lethargic after a long day at work are both instances of feeling the effects of sleep and hard work, respectively. Physical health. When someone says, "I'm really feeling the effects of that workout," it means they are experiencing the physical outcomes, like muscle soreness or tiredness, from exercising. Emotional impact. In an emotional context, saying, "I'm feeling the effects of the movie we watched last night," could mean the person is still experiencing the emotional impact, perhaps feeling sad, inspired, or joyful. Environmental changes. Discussing climate, someone might say, "We're really feeling the effects of global warming here," indicating noticeable changes in weather patterns or temperatures in their area. Social or economic changes. On a larger scale, a statement like, "Our community is feeling the effects of the new policy," highlights the consequences or impacts of social or economic changes within a community. To use this phrase effectively, it's crucial to understand the cause and effect relationship in your statement. Here are some examples to guide you. After switching to a healthier diet, I am feeling the effects in my energy levels and overall health. She's feeling the effects of staying up late last night. Explains why she might be tired or unfocused today. The whole team is feeling the effects of the intense project deadline. Could refer to stress, exhaustion, or even a sense of achievement after completing the work. Understanding and using the phrase, "feeling the effects," can add depth to your communication, allowing you to express outcomes and impacts with nuance and precision. Whether it's describing physical sensations, emotional states, or broader changes, this phrase is a versatile tool in your English language toolkit. We hope this video has illuminated its meaning and uses for you. Don't forget to practice using it in your daily conversations to truly master its application. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.